Do you have one of our OverView monitors that looks like this, and you want to plug in an Audiovox Voyager or ToughCam camera into it? Then you need this adapter cable from Dakota Micro. With this DMOV-ADXC adapter cable, connecting an Audiovox Voyager or ToughCam camera is so simple. Coming out of the back of your OverView monitor, there should be a cable with a GX12 4-pin male connector that looks just like this. Once you find it, you can connect it to our adapter cable, which has a GX12 4-pin female connector. Shocker, I know. Then on the other side of the adapter cable is an Audiovox 4-pin female connector. That will plug right into an Audiovox Voyager or ToughCam CVBS camera. Make sure you verify what signal and format your OverView monitor accepts. From my research, it should be a CVBS signal with an NTSC format, but some of our newer OverView monitors accept both CVBS and HD signals, and both NTSC and PAL formats. But double check that before you order, because I might not even be a real human, and I sure as buckets don't know what monitor you have in your equipment. But once you know that for sure, it's easy. Visit our monitor input guide on our website to see all of our adapter cables and more. We even have a whole page dedicated to them because we're that confident that we have the right cable just for you. All these cables are built to last, and they're tougher than keeping an avocado from getting brown. And the best part is they're made right here in the USA, because we believe in building things right the first time.